Meaning of frantically.
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 Frantically. Frantically is an adverb that describes someone or something that is acting in a wild, uncontrolled, and desperate manner. It often implies a sense of urgency or panic in the action being undertaken. For example, a person might frantically run around a room searching for their lost keys, or a group of firefighters might frantically try to put out a raging fire. The word suggests a level of intensity and a lack of composure in the actions being taken, which can sometimes lead to hasty decisions or mistakes.